Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Humanagement. Today we are going to take a look at dashboard. You can access your dashboard by navigating to the top left option within the left menu. You simply click on it and that will open up your dashboard. Over here you will be able to find vital information that is related to you yourself or to your account. Things like, for example, policies or courses that you have been assigned to read or study. You can quickly access them by hovering over the title with the mouse and left clicking on them. This will open up that set policy or course so you can proceed with it. Next up, we got the stats. So in this window, you will see your stats, anything that is related to you. And it is there so you can take a quick glance at certain graphs, make analytics, and make quick decisions that is related to your day-to-day operations or to your production. On the top right, you will see requests. Over here, you can see how many requests your juniors have sent you or how many still IP or not handled. And you can access them from this little window. Requests are essentially that, just requests. People like juniors or people asking you to do stuff or asking your permission so they can do stuff or requesting your input on certain things, but we will cover that later. Underneath, you have attendance. So over here, you can clock in, clock out, or keep breaks. This is important in some companies or for some cases, not for everybody, but if your company is tracking this, this is quite important. This allows the system to track your activity, like in regards to time. When did you start working? How long did you work? When did you take breaks? How long was the breaks? And when did you clock out? So in case you guys are tracking this, this can be a vital tool. And it can tell your seniors when you were active and for how long. Underneath that, you have holidays, birthdays, and work anniversaries. So if in case your company has certain important events, they will mark it down, they will add it to the calendar, and it will show up over here. So as you can see, we have 4th of July, Independence Day coming up shortly from now. It's a handy tool so you don't miss out on important days. Let's say you have a free day at some point, and yeah, you still went to work because you were not looking at this calendar here. So it's just there to keep you updated on important anniversaries, dates, events, etc. Underneath that, you have a to-do list. So over here, you can create task. Let me just do one. Do this tutorial, and I'm going to add it. So your to-do list is basically helping you to stay organized, keep notes and track of what you have done and what you still have to do. It just helps with productivity. Once you are done with something, simply click on this green check mark and that will mark it as done. You also see a little progress bar here, so it tells you or shows you a visual confirmation on your productivity. That's pretty much for dashboard. We are going to take a look into other features very soon as well. I'll see you in the next video.